Hello everybody, my name is Punarvas Jaikumar. I am a chartered accountant, passionate trainer. I have trained over 15,000 CA students in a career spanning of over 10 years. I am extremely excited and fortunate to be partnering with an academy for CA Foundation, and I'll be handling business laws and BCR paper. So my dear friends, if you want any sort of updates, anything for that matter, I would strongly suggest you right now go and download the Unacademy app. Just go to Play Store, just type Unacademy and you will get Unacademy learning app and you can just install the same. And if you want any kind of updates, notes, tips, audio tips, video tips, etc., please join my exclusive Unacademy Law channel. It's called PJ Law. Go to t.me/PJ Law and it'll take you right to my channel and you can enjoy important notes, audio clips, video clips, etc. And guys, we also have our exclusive CA Foundation English channel where all the educators and learners come together. This is exclusive English channel, so please join our Telegram channel CA Foundation English as well. My dear friends, an exciting announcement. We have already started the CA Warrior batch. This is a fast track batch for CA Foundation December 21 examination. It is going to be exclusively in English. We have already started. Paper 2 will be handled by me, Punarvas Jaikumar, and the quant portion will be handled by my very good friend and a co-educator, CA Neeraj Mahajan sir. You're gonna love his classes. So we will cover very all important topics, and in law we'll cover everything exhaustively, and BCR will do a quick revision. PDF notes will be shared. So as far as law is concerned, it's gonna be from August 18 to maybe, since now exam has been postponed to December, we'll also have it in the October first week or something. And exhaustive analysis of paper number 2. Live classes, guys. It's not recorded. Live classes. There will be quizzes, there will be doubt solving sessions, and unlimited access. You can watch it anytime, anywhere apart from live. I will also discuss the presentation techniques. I'll also give you revision notes, Q&A notes, and specially curated handcrafted color charts for one day before the exam revision. It is going to be almost 60 plus hours. Sir, I also want to check some demo classes if you feel like that. Guys, these classes are on Unacademy Plus. So unless you have a subscription of Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic, you cannot access these classes. Alright. However, if you want some other revision classes, free classes, if you want free sessions, please download the Unacademy app. Go to the special classes section. Get access to our free special classes by various amazing educators, and you will also earn credits while you watch them. So please check out the free special classes option. On that note, my dear friends, let us begin today's session. So my dear friends, I am here today to talk to you about one amazing thing. Just few days ago, we did not even know of a person called Neeraj Chopra. But then suddenly, he has received overnight stardom. That's what I read somewhere, overnight stardom. It is not overnight stardom, my dear friends. The stardom may be overnight, but behind that, there is a lot of hard work, lot of dedication, lot of passion, determination, patience, perseverance, and persistence. So today, I am here to share with you life lessons from the incredible life of Olympic gold medalist in the javelin throw category, Neeraj Chopra. So Neeraj Chopra, if you see, my dear friends, is not an ordinary man. He was, though I say is not an ordinary man, he is an ordinary man. Sir, what are you saying? I'll explain. So he was born in a village called Khandra village in Haryana. He was an overweight kid and always restless every time. He's the eldest child in a joint family. So in a joint family, you know, there are so many people, there are 17 members. So our loving grandmother always ensured, since he was the eldest child and the youngest child will always get some extra love. So he was the eldest. So what he did, he always used to get the lion's share of malai, makhan, doodh, everything. So whenever the grandmother found some extra butter, she used to give. This obviously because of the overflowing love. Neeraj Chopra became extremely healthy. He put on a lot of weight, and the family said, "Hey Neeraj, tu ja, gym ja, chalo, run." And guys, Neeraj Chopra was always, he loved to eat and he didn't want to do all that. But you see, sometimes it always so happens that a group of people help in a person's destiny. For example, you, when it comes to CA, you know that it's your parents who are actually helping you realize your dream. Though you may feel, students, that it's you who are doing CA, it's not just you, even your parents are helping, mind you. Now this village, which is home to nearly around 500 families, it doesn't have a playground, no stadium, no gym. Youngsters either work at the fields there or they move to cities to earn some money. The closest, that to an okay gym, the closest gym was 6 kilometers away, but they said, Neeraj, you need to join that gym. Did he join? Since they just wanted to keep him occupied, they said, okay, gym he was not too keen, so they took him to the local Shivaji stadium. That also was quite far. They took him to the stadium. Till now, Neeraj had tried all other sports, but he saw some people throwing the javelin. So he said, maybe I can try this. He had tried other sports before. When he went there, javelin was somewhere else. He didn't concentrate on that. First, he was playing other games. In his own words, he said, I was looking for excuses because he did not want to play any other game. He wanted to skip the ground every single day. In his own words, he said, "Arey yaar, mere se nahi ho jayega yaar, mere se nahi hoga. I'll go." He wanted to skip every single day. He was not too fond of running, not too fond of jogging, not too fond of anything. But he saw a few bulky men throwing the javelin. I said, maybe I can do this. But when he started doing, he really enjoyed. Guys, many of us, like our CA also, they may say, please join CA, please join CA. We were like, what is this CA? But maybe when we take it up, we'll find that interest. Don't you think so? So he wanted to throw the javelin and he understood that he probably was good at javelin. So then he started loving it. So guys, sometimes, whatever you do, that slowly becomes a passion. So it says, he uses the word junoon. Mera jo junoon, that became alive. He says, my passion for it came to life and I wanted to run. I wanted to run and throw the javelin without a moment's hesitation. So my dear friends, you need to look at the kind of training that goes in to make Neeraj Chopra what Neeraj Chopra truly is. Then began his entire journey, my dear friends, of fitness. You just look at the agility of the man. All you see is one throw, all you see is Olympic medal. But see the training that goes in and day out, year in and year out. Single leg jump, double leg jump, hopping. It is not easy. Right? It is not easy to maintain that consistency, my dear buddies. You need to practice, you need to practice, you need to practice. And for CA, the practice will come through Unacademy for you. We will do everything for you, my dear friends. I am comparing Neeraj Chopra's life to CA so that we can relate many things to it. I will tell you much more about it, but now I just need to tell you, you need to practice. And to practice, what you have to do? Download the Unacademy app. What are you waiting for? Come on! So guys, what are you waiting for? Step number 1, go to Unacademy Learning app. Step number 2, hit install. That's it. That's all you need to do. And go to CA Foundation Plus and check out these 2 subscription plans, Plus and Iconic. I told you the difference. My personal suggestion would be go with the 24 months plan. Why? I'll tell you why. Because with the Iconic subscription, you will get 12 months. There is a combo, guys. CA Foundation and Intermediate. 12 months combo, 24 months combo. If you take the 24 months combo, the good thing is you'll also get time to study intermediate also. So we have the CA Foundation and Inter combo both in Plus as well as Iconic. And dear friends, there is something called as Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test every Sunday at 12 p.m. Participate in the quiz, and if you get good results, if your rank is 1 to 3, then 4 to 10, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200, amazing scholarships. You're getting 50% off, 25% off. Enroll now. The code would be PJ Sir Law. And dear friends, if you go to my channel on Unacademy, I'll tell you more about it. Before that, as I told you, limited time offer. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get 2 months free. Same for both the Iconic and the Plus subscription. But I would request you go for the 24 months plan, because you'll get not only foundation, but also time to finish your CA Inter. Please, please, please guys, follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. Please do that. Please follow me. It will help me also. And you obviously can check out all the special classes that I've released. So guys, family plays a very, very important role. So all the 17-member family always was behind him. As I told you, today morning, if you go to your mom and say, early morning, 3 a.m., you wake her up and say, Mom, I'm having a very bad, this headache. Can you please give me a cup of coffee or tea? Your mom will say, definitely. Your mom says, I have Unacademy classes from morning till evening. Can you please make me food? Food will be supplied to you. You need some books, you go to your dad and say, Dad, I want this. Dad will give it for you. So guys, the parents, at least for, if not for anything, please do it. Let's do it for our parents. So Neeraj Chopra, this was just before the gold medal. They said, Neeraj, go win the gold medal. And guys, his coach always wanted to win something for the country. Uska jo sapna tha, correct? He said, Neeraj, my dream, if it is fulfilled by you, dear Neeraj, nothing will ever make me prouder, is what his coach said. Guys, when you are doing CA, there are so many people behind you. And in this case, this was his coach as well. He said, please do it. If not for anybody, please do it. For me. And my dear friends, the entire village set up a huge TV to witness the final match where Neeraj Chopra was aiming for gold. You should always remember that there is an army of people behind you, supporting you always. Always we will support you. We at Unacademy will always support you, my dear friends. But ultimately, who has to throw the javelin? It is you. And he threw the javelin. If you see this picture, it is like those olden days, the Neanderthal men. For the survival of the fittest, they used to go and hunt animals using the spear. And this picture of Neeraj Chopra shows that primeval instinct of human beings, survival of the fittest, Charles Darwin theory. Taking that analogy into CA, it is survival of the fittest, my dear friends. Fittest not just by fit body, but a fit mind. And you will throw the javelin and you will clear CA. And the family said, for us, he will always remain a child. Whenever he comes, we try to make sure that we don't praise him so much, because they say when you praise so much, generally you tend to get, success will go to your head. Even now, if he comes, you'll find him working in the fields. Because guys, if you become a CA, you will become, for sure, but always remain grounded. Like Neeraj Chopra, let's remain humble. Let's think of the past. Let's not forget our roots. Our roots are very, very important, my dear friends. Let's not ever forget our roots. Yes or no? There is a wall hanging in the drawing room of Chopra's ancestral home, which says, a single idea can light up your life. The entire family's single idea was for Neeraj Chopra to win, to represent India in the Olympics. The entire idea of your family is for you to become a chartered accountant. So one single idea, my dear friends, he had the entire power of 1 billion people in his arm, and the dreams of and support of 1 billion people, and more importantly, those 17-18 people and the 500 people of his village. So what he did lit up not only their life, but the life of the entire country. It sometimes takes a village to raise a champion. Now is the time to relish the fruits of the labor. It sometimes takes your entire family to make you a chartered accountant, and once you are a CA, it is time to relish the entire thing, guys. Let's not let success get into our heads. Like Neeraj Chopra, if you see, he said, we are farmers, nobody in the family had a government job, and my family has been supporting me even though they are, with great difficulty. But now it's a relief because I can support my family, is what Neeraj Chopra says. Trust me guys, once you become a CA, Till you become a CA, don't worry, your parents will try to support you in every way. Once you become a CA, you will automatically get that amazing responsibility and you'll be like, now I will support my parents. Now I will do everything for them. So guys, he said, when I went to the stadium, sports was never part of the plan. Neither was playing for the country. So today I really worked hard and I became a champion. So guys, maybe you may feel that it is not for you. Maybe you feel CA is not for you, but just hang in there. Slowly that passion will build up and you guys will be the Neeraj Chopra of your career. And guys, this is how it will be. Neeraj Chopra we had here, but you will be sitting there when the entire world will watch you become a chartered accountant. These are the small lessons in life, lessons of patience, perseverance, humility that we have all see in this amazing young human being who's really become a star now, much deserved, richly deserved star, but more importantly, is become an inspiration to the millions and millions of sports persons in India, the hidden talent that is there in India, people who doubt themselves thinking that they cannot do well. Neeraj Chopra is the guiding light, my dear friends. So let him be the guiding light in our CA journey also. If we feel we are not up for it, if we feel we are fat and we are not up for it, he became a champion. If you feel that you are not up for CA, your mental capacity is not there, think again, my dear friends. When he could do it without any support anywhere, I am sure you can also do it. Yes or no? This is what I wanted to share, my dear friends. So guys, as I told you, without fail, please follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. If you don't know what to do, go to any of my videos and check out the link here. Punarvas Jaikumar sir's Unacademy profile. Once you click on that, it will take you here where you will see all my followers. You please follow me and you will see my special classes. Free classes. To enter the class, you just need to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want a discount, you have to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want this, you have to just put the code PJ Sir Law. Very, very, very simple, my dear friends. Extremely simple. And also, if you see here, any combo subscription or intermediate plus, and we have the iconic for CA Foundation and intermediate, all you need to do is just pick a plan. And once you say pick a plan, in this referral code, all you need to do is PJ Sir Law and magic. You will get 10% off. So this is all you need to do, my dear friends. Very, very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon because any important video released by me or any of the educators on this CA Foundation and Academy English channel, you will get a notification. Please like this video, share with among your friends, and also please leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to watch any special class of mine on the Unacademy platform, the code is PJ Sir Law. If you want to buy any product, the code is PJ Sir Law to get a 10% discount. Please download the Unacademy Learners app, and in the special class you can also get all the notes as well. You can download. On that note, see you until next time, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye, my CA warriors. Cheers.